Want to transform chaotic data into actionable insights? Let's dive into calculating running averages in Qlik Sense. First, open your Qlik Sense app and select the sheet where you want to display the running average. Drag and drop a straight table chart onto the sheet. Add your date field as the first dimension, followed by any other dimensions like product category. Finally, add your measure, for example, total sales. Now, go to the Measures section of the Properties panel and click Add Measure to create a new measure for the running average. In the expression editor, you'll use a combination of aggregation functions and set analysis. Start with the agg function inside of the Avaerage function to define a running average. Inside of the agg function, you will put the sum of your sales. For the first argument of your sum function, you will put your sales field. Next, we are going to write the set analysis statement. This is where the magic happens. Inside of a set analysis qualifier, we specify the date field and the range of values we want to include. In our calculation, for example, use less than equals $max date to calculate all of the previous dates in your dataset. Next, we will subtract a parameter for the date range we want to consider. For example, less than equals $max date 6. This says to consider all of the dates in the dataset prior to 6 days before the max date. Click Apply. Your straight table should now display the running average alongside your original sales data. Experiment with different date ranges within the expression to fine-tune your analysis. Now you can easily identify trends and patterns, making data-driven decisions with confidence.